Yes, very thought enriching, okay, and very inspiring. Well, thank you, Hazriq. This is not the first time I'm attending these events. Okay, I think Guru has organised a number of events, right? At LLI, I think a few times at LLI. I've attended a few times also. So when I got to know about this event, which is a whole day, I was very keen to attend, right? Knowing that Hazriq is going to be there, Angie was going to be there, right? So yes, very thought enriching, okay, and very inspiring. There were way too many takeaways, okay? But the one I have to I can really recall straight away is Hazriq's example of the Fosbury flop, right? Because I was an athlete myself, right? So track and field is my game, right? Was my game. I'm more of a footballer and tackle player now. But when I think about athletics and you talk about the Fosbury flop, I remember the high jump. Before 1968 Olympics, it was the straddle, right? They get their legs over the hurdle first, right? Then Fosbury came up with the Fosbury flop. Okay, the name itself, when you think of flop, you think of something that actually goes down, right? Yes, it went down, but it went up so high that it broke world records. Okay, so that was something that Fosbury actually can teach all of us.